In this video, we'll show you what to do if your Lenovo laptop's webcam is not working all of a sudden. So the first thing you need to do is look for a camera switch or a privacy shutter on your Lenovo laptop. This is not available on all the models, but if your laptop has this, make sure it is turned off and then try using the camera again. If this doesn't work, open the settings app on your Windows PC. Now go to the privacy and security tab here. In this menu, you will need to scroll down and then click on camera. Here you will need to make sure that the camera access toggle is enabled. Additionally, you will need to review the app permissions and make sure that the app you are using also has the access to the camera. If this doesn't help, right click on the start icon and then select device manager from the list. In the device manager window, you will first need to expand cameras. Here you should see integrated camera option. Simply right click on it and make sure it is enabled. If it's not enabled, you should see enable device option here. If the camera is already enabled, select this uninstall device. Now tick this particular checkbox and then click on uninstall again. Once you have done this, simply go ahead and restart your Lenovo laptop and your issue should be resolved. If you find this video useful, please don't forget to like and subscribe to Glitch Guru.